In the last video, we said that we were shutting down Connect Studio. That was true, but there is a story behind it. We have stopped Connect Studio as a general software development brand. Over time, it became clear what we are best at: building AI products that works in production. Over the last 5 years, we have built complex systems. We have learned how client operations work. We have gone deep into automation, voice AI, agents, and AI workflows. Now, with the same team and even more experience, we are moving forward with sharper focus. Connect Studio is now rebranded as Riverborn. Riverborn builds AI systems for companies that need more than a demo. Architecture first, production grade delivery, long term partnership. We have opened our office at Mirpur DOSS. We are expanding our team. We are taking a clear position. World class AI engineering can be built from Bangladesh. Riverborn is our next chapter. Flowing forward. Bye.